Curtis. Hi, my name is Rimi.
Today we're gonna perform a puppet show, and it's all about the talking food animal. And let's get started.
No, not talking about the future to be.
Okay.
You forgot say that we want to be.
Oh, okay, sorry. So when I grow up, I want to be ballet teacher and jewelry designer. How about you, Curtis?
A coach and
A soccer coach. A soccer coach.
I know. A soccer coach and a coach.
What
Okay.
coach?
How about Rimi?
When I grow up, I want to be a gymnastic coach
Oh.
and a Japanese teacher.
Okay, ready. Okay, we're ready. So our show's gonna begin now. Once upon a time, there was a talking food animal. Hi in Chinese is 你好. Oh, 谢谢. Sorry.
Olaf. Means.
Stop laughing.
Say you started first.
Keep going.
Oh, stop
You
it.
start over.
What happened?
他一直在笑。
Don't laughing. You have
我
to
跟你
read.
讲 ，you have to do this part without laughing. 他一直在笑。
Let him say something easy. Otherwise,
They are
he can...
laughing too.
Okay, I'm gonna help you say. Hola means.
Hola means is the Baku day.
Okay, can you stop?